Deutsche Bank has begun cutting 18,000 jobs worldwide in one of the most wide-ranging banking overhauls since the financial crisis. A heavy culling is predicted in Europe and in the United States as well, but cuts across Asia, they began today, including in Hong Kong as well as in Sydney, where entire teams in sales and trading were slashed. Under the $8.3 billion plan aimed at turning around the flagging German lender, 1 in 5 employees, or 20% of the bank's entire global workforce, will be let go by the year 2022. It will also exit its equities, sales and trading businesses and close some operations in fixed income and investment banking as well. Ira Spitzer has more from Berlin.
These layoffs represent an absolutely massive step in Deutsche Bank's long-running restructuring process, and Germany's largest lender has never really recovered from the 2008 financial crisis, and we've seen lots of fits and starts over the past few years as the bank tries to return to profitability, and many see this move as a last-ditch effort, cutting about 18,000 jobs worldwide. That's about a fifth of Deutsche Bank's global workforce. And what this really means is that Germany's largest bank is effectively giving up on its investment banking operations, no longer trying to compete with the likes of Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan Chase globally, and really just focusing on its core competencies of providing banking services for its multinational customers. Now, we don't know exactly what effect this may have on Deutsche Bank's Singapore operations yet. We do know there's about 4,700 employees across Asia, in Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Sydney, and elsewhere. But Singapore probably will fare better than Hong Kong, which is really the center of Deutsche Bank's equity operations in Asia. Singapore more of a fixed income hub for the region. So that is a developing story. Certainly regions such as London and New York, which are heavily focused on investment banking, are expected to be very hard hit by this latest news. So certainly a day that will be long remembered for Deutsche Bank.